Hi there guys, in today's video VinylCut we'll be looking at the dropper tool, but before that let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys all know, so we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we upload videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise we're back in the program here. Now the dropper tool is quite handy if you want to save time and just quickly pick colors from another object. So yeah, it can save you a lot of time. It's got a few different options we can set, but first of all, to locate it, it will be under our toolbar here on the left, and if we zoom to this little eyedropper, if you hover, it will say dropper on it. You can just select it. Top here you can see on the sample it's tool options. We've got three different options. So we've got fill and stroke, fill or stroke. So let's just leave it on fill and stroke. Obviously you can imagine if it's on fill and we sample, we'll only sample the fill, or stroke likewise only the stroke. Now one thing to keep in mind that this option does this tool does not copy, let's say, stroke settings. So it'll copy its color but not its size, so you'll still have to set that individually. So now with your shape selected, so let's say I want to change this shape's color, then I need to have this shape selected. Then I'll go to my dropper tool, locate it, make sure my make sure my options are set right, and then I click on the shape I wanted to copy. So for instance there will be the solid, or I can click on the gradient, which it does gradients and patterns as well, and we'll copy that. But now if we have it on this one and we go to and then we go to its actual fill and stroke settings, as you can see here, the width of the stroke is still 1, so you'll have to customly adjust this again to get it the same size. Now you can obviously use your dropper and you can set it to, let's say, copy this one's stroke like we did, or then the stroke, and then you can just set it to fill and then copy this one's fill. So as you can see now, it's still got the stroke of the previous one but the fill of the new one. So that's also a handy way to quickly navigate through different options. What we can also do is, if we select more than one shape, we have these two shapes selected, you can still use your eyedropper, and I'm going to set it to fill and stroke, and we click on the gradient. You'll see it copied for both of them at one go, but as you might have noticed, it's not treating these two selected items as one. So if you're working on a solid color or pattern, perhaps you can easily get away with this, but to do this right, you'll have to unfortunately select each shape individually and then sample the gradient like that. Otherwise, that is it on the dropper tool. A very handy tool if you get competent with it. It can save you quite some time. Otherwise, if we navigate here to VinylCut.co.za, the program is freely available here. Just head to the downloads page. Otherwise, under softwaretraining.co.za, like I mentioned, we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search on top here if you're looking for anything specific. If you don't find what you're looking for, we have this nice little feature called request a training video, and then if you fill in the form, we'll make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.